Donald Trump, known for his unconventional views on global politics, is reportedly considering a bold new idea that could reshape the world order. According to a Politico report, the US president is weighing the creation of a new elite global grouping called the C5 or Core 5. Now, what is the Core 5? The proposed bloc would include the United States, Russia, China, India, and Japan. This group would replace or sideline existing forums like the Europe-led G7. Unlike current alliances, the C5 would not be based on shared democratic values or economic rules, but on power and influence. The idea reportedly appears in an unpublished, longer version of the US National Security Strategy. Now, while the existence of this document has not been confirmed, the report suggests the group would meet regularly and begin discussions on Middle East security, including normalizing relations between Israel and Saudi Arabia. The White House, meanwhile, has rejected the report, saying no secret or alternative version of the strategy exists. Former US National Security Council official Tori Tosick said that the proposal fits Trump's non-ideological style, which focuses on dealing with strong and influential countries rather than value-based alliances. She also pointed out that Europe's absence could signal that the US sees Russia as a dominant power in Europe. But why it matters? Well, the report surfaces at a time when Washington is already discussing how much the second Trump administration might reshape the global order. Critics warn that such a move could weaken Western unity, sideline Europe, and legitimize authoritarian leaders, challenging NATO and the existing global balance. But what do you think? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.